Hi, I'm Kent from DevSamurai. Welcome to AgileBox Tutorial Series. This video is a step-by-step guide for you and your team on how to run Daily Standup on AgileBox. Let's get started.
First, access AgileBox from the Jira sidebar. Then locate the menu in the top left corner of AgileBox interface and then click Daily Standup. If this is your first time, you see an option to start a new Daily Standup. Click it to begin. Let's fill in. All of these details are customizable, so don't worry if you want to make any changes later. Here you can attach a meeting link for this Daily Standup, then fill it with its reporting windows, timing, and don't forget to tick the team mode option to gain insight about how your team is feeling. Next, we included 3 default Daily Standup questions to get you started, and you are free to make any change to them as you like. Here I would like to add 2 questions to help me learn more about my team. You can also remove questions or customize them to fit your team needs. Check the link in the description for more ideas to enhance your Daily Standup question. After we finish our questions, let's move on and choose our participant for this Daily Standup. With the new Slack integration, your team will receive Daily Standup reminder. Check the link in the description to learn more about Slack integration. And when you have to customize your Daily Standup, spice things up a bit, hit the setting icon over here and you can make any change. For team mode, as the answerer, you may choose to publish this to the other team members or to keep it private to only you can see. You can also report in advance by changing the date. To track all the updates, hit team report and everything are here for you to see. You can check reports in the past and look at the team mode.
And that's how you run Daily Standup with AgileBox. Experiment with features and let us know if you have any questions. Contact us via this email and we'll assist you right away. Don't forget to subscribe and follow DevSamurai for more agile and project management tips. See you in the next video.